Bob Woodcock from Golden Eagle Manufacturing invited Gary Kubo and I down here to the machine shop today so that we could talk a little bit about some of the new 2AR components that they're machining out in the shop for us for the new 2011 race car. Bob, what do you guys got cooking on out in the machine shop for us?
Right now we're out there, we're working on cutting the sleeves for the engine, we're working on the fuel rail, working on the intake manifolds, and we even have a block guard to show you guys.
Wow, all right, well let's go out there and see what the guys are cutting out of aluminum for us.
The quality of the parts, so what sets you guys apart from the rest of the manufacturer? I notice like there's many companies making similar parts, but again, we torture the crap out of your parts, and obviously, you know, the results wouldn't happen if the parts failed. So can you kind of give us an idea of what's involved, you know, of making these quality parts?
First of all, we use the finest grade aluminum or metal, whatever. We don't cut corners on any of the material. In the machine time, we make sure all the tolerances are set properly, and we hold military spec on all of our race products, and we don't make something, let's say, a fuel rail extra thin to where it's going to crack just to save a few dollars in material.
Ever since I can remember, back in the late 90s, we've been running the Golden Eagle parts. So from design to actual billet component, how do these parts come to fruition?
We start off with a high quality grade material, 6061 aluminum for all the fuel rails, intake manifolds, and then we use a high quality ductile iron for the sleeves.
Gotcha. And then once you guys get done machining these parts, do they go through some kind of quality control check, or how do you guys check them before they leave the shop to go to the customers?
We have a real good quality control here. Goes through about 3 different hands. Gets checked over 3 to 4 times every part.
I know you guys deburr everything really nice, and when you pull it out of the package, it's just perfect. So I wondered how you guys got it to that point. Another reason Golden Eagle's a great vendor of ours isn't just because they do all the cool billet aluminum stuff to bolt onto the street cars, but they also have the manufacturing capability and the engineering capability of building brand new parts for the market, like the new 2AR parts that Bob brought us down here to check out today. Like the new fuel rail that no one else has on the market, the intake manifold that we'll get our hands on first, and these cool block guards that nobody's seen yet. Now that we've shown you guys everything that Golden Eagle's capable of doing and what they do for us, you guys should feel comfortable knowing that these are the highest quality billet parts out there and that they're made here in the United States. So Bob, I'd like to thank you for inviting us down today, and hopefully we'll see you at the racetrack soon.
All right, you're welcome anytime.